Hey guys, I'm at the Milwaukee Media event and it is loud here. I'm here with Brennan and we're looking at the M18 Force Logic Strut Shear, and it cuts unistrut like this. Brennan, what can you tell us about this? Like, give us the highlights of it.
Yeah, absolutely. So first and foremost, one of the first things that we got when we were working on this tool is, hey, how can I know where I'm actually going to make my cut? I can't see where I made my mark, so I need an easy way to actually be able to reference. From the front of this support plate, it's a 4-inch offset from exactly where you're going to shear. So all of your strut's going to be 2-inch on center for all of your holes, so all of your spaces in between will also be 2 inches on center. So it's a very quick and easy add or subtract from wherever your measurement is. So as long as you're in between the slots here, that's exactly where you're going to shear. So additionally, we wanted to design this for the job site, so very easily rests on a flat surface, on the ground, top of a gang box, bottom of a scissor lift.
Sturdy.
Very sturdy. As well as we've got a integrated tri-stand stud mount. So you can very easily integrate it into a tri-stand, whether it's a Milwaukee or another brand that you may have on your job site, so you can truly work at the point of installation.
So what is the cost of this, spare tool or kitted? Or?
So it'll come as a 1 battery kit. It'll run roughly about $37.50.
$37.50. And does it come with the different dies?
Yep.
Or?
So it'll come kitted with a set of 1 5/8" by 1 5/8" dies, and then all the rest of these will be sold separately,
accessories,
depending on which sizes you use most common.
Can we cut something?
Yeah, absolutely.
One of the guys was telling me that I was talking to earlier that this thing cuts super clean.
Yes.
It just shears it super clean.
It's very quiet, it's very clean.
Fast.
And fast, yes.
Wow, look at that. No,
little to no filing at all.
No filing.
And pretty much installation ready.
Wow, that is really sweet. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's available when? Now?
This will start shipping in December of this year.
December of this year. Thanks, guys.